The collision repair industry has transformed from traditional dent removal and manual craftsmanship into a high-tech, precision-driven field. Modern vehicles need specialized tools, training, and digital processes for accurate, safe repairs due to advanced electronics and materials. Digital imaging and AI quickly detect hidden damage, estimate repairs, and speed up insurance claims for greater efficiency. Paintless Dent Repair uses improved tools to fix bigger dents without repainting, saving time, cost, and preserving resale value. Computerized frame straightening allows millimeter-precise structural restoration and generates digital repair reports for insurers. Advanced materials like aluminum and carbon fiber require specialized tools, adhesives, and techniques like laser welding and rivet bonding. 3D printing is revolutionizing part replacement by creating rare or discontinued components on demand, reducing delays and supply chain dependence. Robotics and automation enhance productivity with precision painting, automated sanding, and labor support, improving quality and efficiency. Eco-friendly practices such as water-based paints, energy-efficient curing, and recycling are also gaining traction, meeting environmental standards and consumer expectations. Looking forward, the rise of EVs and automated vehicles will further reshape collision repair, requiring expertise in battery management and digital systems. The future will likely see deeper integration of AI/AR and VR merging craftsmanship with technology to deliver safer, faster, and more sustainable repairs. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 20825-15338. That's 20825-15338. Or send email at eric@theratofgemstatepdr.com.